Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You need to get into Windows recovery environment now. If Windows won't start, force 3 hard shutdowns to auto-launch WinRe. Once done, select Advanced Startup or Boot from a Windows 10 USB and set USB first in BIOS. You will then choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options. Make sure to pick System Restore when available. It targets restore points, which revert system files and settings without touching most personal files. This first step gets you to the tool that will perform the actual restoration. You'll see a list of restore points. Read the dates and the short descriptions so you know what changes each point will undo. If you don't see enough options, check Show More Restore Points to reveal older snapshots. Once you select the point, click Next and then Finish. System Restore will warn you the process cannot be interrupted. Make sure any external drives are connected, and that power is stable because the tool reverts system files and registry entries to that exact moment. System Restore runs, then automatically reboots the PC. Do not interrupt it. Once Windows reloads, log in and verify the issue is resolved. Check apps and system settings impacted by the point. If the restore fails or the problem persists, note any error code. Once done, boot back to WinRe and try Safe Mode, Startup Repair, or run SFC and DISM from command prompt to fix corrupted system files. Make sure to try an earlier restore point, if available, before reinstalling Windows.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.